Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is salsabila. Today I'm gonna show you how to make shrimp with oyster sauce. Check it out. Shrimp, salted seasoning 1 onions, seasoning 2 or 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 5 tablespoons of chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, salt, flavor, pepper, and white sugar. Enough water. Saute the onions until fragrant. Then, put in the shrimp, saute until the color change. Then, add all the ingredients and other spices. Stir and add some water. Taste it so you can customize it to your taste. Cook until cooked and the water is a bit absorbed. Turn off the heat and the food is ready to serve.